let me just take a sip. Hello, yes, hello to you and you. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, all things TessyE. If today is your first time coming to my YouTube channel or seeing my face, you're welcome. So today I'm coming to you with my hair, with my fro hanging. Don't worry, that's why we're here. So today's video is a protective style, is how to do the knotless box braid, beginners friendly. Okay, so I'm beginners, so that's why it's beginners friendly. My hair is already washed, moisturized and all that. So the next step I'll be doing is try to use my hand dryer to stretch it out so that the pattern will be more easy for me to go through. Okay, so without further ado, let's get the video starting. The things I need to get through this knotless box braid, or to make it more easier for me, is this edge control. So it will help me for the parting. Okay, so I'm using this edge control. So very important, my rat take home, so that the parting, you know, knotless box braid, the parting is important. Although I'm not that perfect with my parting yet, so don't worry, we'll navigate through that. Okay, so this is the rat take home is very important. It helps a lot with that. I'm using hair clips. Of course, your hair. The next important, very important for a beginners, okay, for beginners, if you're trying to do the knotless box braid, this hairband. Okay, it helps a lot to section your hair and it will be more easier for you. Okay, so this hairband. Okay, so I will use my hand dryer to stretch the hair out more, and I will come back because I don't want to bore you, or I don't want to prolong the video. Okay, I'm back and I'm done stretching my hair out. You can see how huge my fro is. And I have a video already of how I prep my hair before protective style, so I will link the video somewhere, okay, so you can check that out. I'm all oily. Summer is here, okay, in full effect. Summer is here. So for me, the sectioning part is the most tedious part of it all. It takes me hours and hours, and I can't even get the parting right. Okay, so that's a struggle for me, a huge struggle for me. Just go through it like this. This is my hair tie. Get this one out of the way, and it will be more manageable for me this way. It's when your mirror comes to play. Okay, so this is my mirror. I go with my hand first because I'm starting from the back. The struggle of the parting is real, so I need to just go to the mirror, stand by the mirror and do the parting, then I'll be back. Yes, I'm back. Parting is the huge work. It's a huge work and a huge struggle for me. Okay, so let me just take a sip. Now is the braiding time. I always start my hair from the back, so